Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Indian Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a healthy and a delicious chutney recipe made using curry leaves. Take 1/4 cup of raw peanuts in a pan on a medium heat and dry roast them. Soon dark spots will appear and the skin will loosen. Now remove them in a plate and keep this aside. Into the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and roast them for 30 to 40 seconds. Once they start popping, remove them on a plate as well. Now add 2 teaspoons of oil in the same pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they crackle, add 2 dry red chilies. Now saute everything for about 30 seconds. To this, add around 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Saute again until about a minute. Add 1/4 cup of fresh or dried coconut, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of tamarind. Now saute all this for about a minute. Now to this, add 1 cup of curry leaves. I have washed them before. 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Once this mixture is sauteed well, you will start to see that the leaves have withered a little. Now turn off the stove. Take a mixture jar and add the roasted peanuts and the sesame seeds. In the same jar, add the sauteed curry leaves mixture. I have divided this into 2 batches, but eventually we'll be combining them. Add a little water. Now close the lid and grind this mixture. It need not be a very fine paste. The mixture is coarse, as you can see. Now take 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of hing, around 2 to 3 curry leaves. Saute for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now add all the grounded mixture. Now mix everything well. Now saute this mixture for about a minute or 2. Once the water dries up, our curry leaves chutney is ready to be served. You can enjoy this always with warm rice and some ghee. You can also apply this when you make plain dosas at home or eat it with idli. I hope you like my today's recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.